Winter storm warning was updated today, 9:33 p.m. Sunday, February 25th, issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. There was a heavy snowfall heading towards Saskatchewan. So it's 12. It's 12 midnight right now. First, we really didn't have a winter. I didn't feel like a winter. And somebody told me, boy, just wait for it. This is just the beginning. And I kind of feel like it's true. This heavy snowfall warning, heavy snowfall storm heading towards Saskatchewan. And I thought, well, I'll film it. It'll be fun. It's actually pouring snow. I'm in the garage. I did not plan to do this video today, but like I said before, it'll be fun, right? To see the experience. I don't know if you guys can see this. Switch to snow mode. Gonna help me on traction.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm using an LED light just so you can see me because it's dark. I have my GoPro up there to get the best videos for you guys. Driving through the neighborhood. It is fun. Absolutely enjoying. We're expecting 10 centimeters of snow by the end of the day. I'm not sure how long this gonna continue. But yeah. don't think you can see me clearly. Let's go. I don't know why today I'm not comfortable talking. I don't want to talk much. I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a snowfall storm look like. This is not the craziest storm, right? It's not like a crazy storm. Just a mini storm that hit to Saskatchewan. What's the time now? 12:41. 12:41 midnight. We're still driving in our neighborhood just to see how things looks like. I can hear the McDonald's lady talking. I just heard it. No, I can't do that. It's hitting hard into my face. I cannot do that. So it was snowing till snowing since 9:30, 10, right? Yeah. So today's video, it's okay. I'm holding my light, LED light, in one hand, and I have the camera on the other hand. But anyways, today's video, just a short video, just to experience how it's gonna be, how it's gonna like to be out when there's a storm. Yeah, now it's better. Today's video is gonna be just a short video. I'm having a hard time filming myself, and she's driving. I'm holding my LED light on the other hand, and I have my camera on the other, so trying to keep up with you guys. So I just wanted to see how things are. What's the experience of stormy snowstorm? See you guys.